Sunday morning. We are here for a second dish. You're missing a sock. I don't know how that happens. I just came from a sick ass pump. I said I want some.
And I came from a nice pozole. If you do not know what that is, it is a Mexican soup.
I didn't like the little corn thingies, but I like the meat.
It's the best part.
What, the cornbread?
Yes.
Nah. Anywho, now I want some shrimp fried rice, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna make it a little bit healthy. I'm gonna show you how to do it. I got my assistant, my firstborn, my baby, my boo. We're gonna get this started. First step, duh, right? They always say you should do a day-old rice. We ain't got time for all that. To me, and I didn't notice the difference when I did do it. So, you ready, boo-boo?
Yeah.
All right, perfect. So, rice cooker.
Rice cooker.
Bye-bye. Can you put that to the side?
No, I cannot.
Oh, so sorry. I got my wife these beautiful flowers just for no reason. No reason. That's what you're supposed to
Because
do.
you wanted them.
No, it's no
Yes, you
reason.
did.
No, I
Flowers.
got them for no reason. That's the reason. Got them for no reason because I'm sweet. First thing we're gonna do, get your rice cooker. I've always made rice in just like a pot. You know, just take the pot, put the rice, put the water, done.
What
What
if I
is-
hit the sea line?
This
Yes.
kid here, boy. I don't know what the rumor is with the sugar in kids, but this kid has some sugar. This is the rice I always use, Mahatma long grain. I love it. No, it is 1 cup of rice to 2 cups of water. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. I used to be the worst. So I used to always eyeball it as a kid. Come on,
Tell
good
us
sometimes.
why you have always been the worst.
I've not always been the worst. I've been.
You just said that, bro.
As a kid, I was the worst when it came to like following directions. I just hated it. So anyway, yeah, same.
Everybody hit it with the sea lion.
Look, Tina, get off the counter trying to be a sea lion. It goes inside of this. Boom. Now, does it look clean?
No.
Tina. I'm gonna choke the kid off the camera. So this is liquid and this is dry. So the glass is for liquid. This is for dry. So put a cup of rice.
So all of it?
Fill that bowl up, yeah. This kid just went for it. Didn't even bother saying if this right. That's too high. Baby, slow down. I'm always like, you ever go to the bar and they like pour the shot over the thing and they dump it? That's what I like. Tina, what the hell are you doing? All right. Boom. And that's my thing too. My wife always says, I'll cook like I'm gonna eat it the whole week and then I just end up not. I eat once, then I don't eat it again. And by the time I crave it again,
Let's just cook.
it's old. Okay, so now what we need at this point is to add the water. I don't like using tap water. I like using filtered water. Why not? 2 cups of water.
First time.
2 cups is right there. It says 2 cups right there. See that?
Yes.
All right. We'll put the rice back up.
It's okay. That's okay.
I just realized something.
What?
We did not wash the rice. So, yeah, I'm new to this. The washing the rice, I'm super new to that. So I just realized I did not wash the rice.
I can just do this.
Yeah, do it. But we're still gonna have to dump the water. Did you wash your hands?
No.
What happens, so when you don't wash the rice, this is what the rice looks like. You gotta rinse the rice out. Absolutely have to. So now I just rinsed it a couple times, the water looks a lot clearer.
Why don't you just check
It's still
it?
milky, but it looks a lot clearer. I'll probably do it one more time, which we should be all right.
Oh, that's much better.
Much better. Tell them a fun fact about yourself while I'm washing the rice.
Fun fact.
About
I
yourself.
am a sea lion.
Tina.
Sea lion. Oh, and then fun fact is this is my real height.
Is it too heavy? You want daddy to do it?
No.
She is truly her father's child.
I do it myself.
I know. That's why I say you're truly your father's child.
Stop it. Exactly 2 cups. Can I dump it?
Yep.
Dump it.
Dump the water. The water is clear. Don't. No, you cannot mix it. Close the top. Boink. Press the power button, white rice, and I think it's taking itself. Yeah, so we don't have to do anything at this point. So we just chill, wait for this. In the meantime, we gotta cook the shrimp and chop up the vegetables. We are back. I have taken a shower. Bubby's has caught up on her YouTube, and the rice is done. Go ahead, show them the rice, boo boos. Absolutely fantastic. Anything else, Bubby?
Actually, yeah, there is.
What's that?
Sea lion time. Anyway, rice.
Can we do the shrimp now, Boo Boo?
Yes.
Thank you, baby. Let's make the shrimp. So the first thing you want to do is take out the hot plate. I just have the hot plate here. Baby, where's the hot plate?
I have it.
Perfect. First up, we got to marinate the damn shrimp. We got our seasonings here. Chili flakes, black pepper, soy sauce, onion powder, garlic powder. Oh, this is onion. This is garlic powder. All right, seasonings here. Perfect. I had a bowl of shrimp. Bubby, where's the shrimp? Now, Tina, put everything in the bowl, marinate the shrimp. So everything's just eyeball. So, you know, I'm sure there's a measurement thing to it. We ain't got time for all that. First, we're gonna do the, what's that, garlic or onion?
Onion.
Perfect. Plenty enough. Plenty enough. Plenty enough.
Sorry. Garlic.
Garlic.
Powder.
That smells so good.
Soy sauce.
To the side.
I like soy sauce.
Glued on there.
For real. Oh. Wait. Pepper flakes.
Black pepper.
Black pepper. Exactly what it is.
Perfect. Because we're going to season it again once we put it in the rice.
My favorite,
The
red
absolute
pepper.
family favorite. This and cayenne pepper and tapatio. Y'all put tapatio on everything too.
Yes. Yeah, but look, if it's like pasta or a pizza, then it has to be this.
Pasta.
If it's pasta, then I put this, not tapatio.
Feel like getting your hands dirty? Mm-hmm. No, good. Mix it up. Once you add everything into the bowl, you can mix it up. Tina, can we go, baby lovies? Bodybuilding is the fun part. Going to the gym, that's the fun part. Eating, the fun part.
Bro, can we just cook?
Recording with your baby? Oh my stars. Go on, boo boo. Go.
Why me? I don't want to.
Because you're the baby and you're the cute one.
No, I don't want to. Give me a mix.
Oh my God, forget it. Jeez.
Our family loves cayenne pepper.
We're going to add some cayenne pepper
Because
in there.
remember the pasta video?
Yeah, the pasta, yeah. Love it. There's no such thing.
That's what you said.
Perfect. All right, let me mix it up. Ah, that's nice. Perfect. So it all mixed up.
Guys, I
Gonna
won't
look
be
just
here.
like. My daughter couldn't wait for the food to be done, and she's peer pressuring me with McDonald's. McDonald's fries are like my number one. Number 1 or 2. Who else got good fries? Popeye's got good fries too. In-N-Out.
I never eaten
Anyways, we're gonna heat up our oil. We're gonna heat up our pan. This is my first time using this thing, so I don't know how hot it gets or how fast it gets, so we're gonna play with it. Put the butter in.
And I'm just gonna cut.
And my little boo-boo-loo is gonna cut. They're called green onions.
Green onions.
Please watch your fingers. All right, I'm gonna saute the sugar honey iced tea out of this now. So, butter's still melting. I'm gonna take the shrimp out, put them in there one by one. Ew, they sizzling. Oh, this is beautiful. That's it. You finished, boo-boo?
Almost.
Somewhat. We are making a lot of shrimp. Shrimp is my absolute favorite protein.
Now,
Chicken breast is my least favorite protein because I just think it's dry. Put this bowl over here. Add it to the ever so mounting dishes that we have.
I am done cooking.
Good job, boo-boo.
Cut it.
This recipe is like 5-6 ingredients, and I had none of them. Only thing I had was the shrimp. Seriously. The rice. I had the shrimp and the rice. All right, so the shrimp are just about done. I'm about to flip them. That's the issue with putting 15,000 pieces of shrimp in there. You gotta flip 15,000 pieces of shrimp.
This is why you should always cook with another friend, so you can go faster.
No, but the older you get, boo-boo, the less shrimp friends you have, you know? Talking about my sad, boring life.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying? And your mama's sad, boring life. There you go. Throw her in there. Your auntie's sad, boring life.
So, we had to open toy.
Where is this video going? Now we're opening the toys? Go ahead, go.
For me. Done. That's why.
Pack. Don't get tempted.
See, that's taking so long. That's why I didn't
I'm about to take this out. Shrimp is perfectly done, the way I like it at least. So we're going to take them out. All right, putting the shrimp to the side, and I'm going to go grab the garlic. My baby's freshly cut green onions.
Chill, this is my
All
first
going
time.
in.
That was my first time cutting.
All right, we're just going to stir this. Keep the juice, keep all those good shrimp juices inside of it.
Yes.
All right. All right, so this is all perfect. Garlic's all browned up. We're gonna add the rice. So we're gonna throw the rice in there. Boom! So this is where the fried and the shrimp fried is gonna come from.
It's a perfect bowl shape.
Because it came from a perfect bowl. That's why it's a perfect bowl. So what, baby? Oh, you splash it. You
I
good?
don't want to do that no more.
What's the name on the front, boo-boo? Oyster sauce, that's what it is. Oyster sauce. We're gonna put the oyster sauce in there. Put the rice in, now we put the eggs.
What?
Why is this egg empty? This is crazy. This one feels empty. Feel that.
Yeah, what the?
It's in there.
It's in
It's
there.
jiggling. Here, open one. Open it. Baby, open the open the van. All right, we're gonna put one more in there. Do you want to do this one?
Yeah.
Give me the egg.
Can you pack it?
Just peel it off right there. Over the pan. There you go. There you go.
Now let me wash my gooey hair.
So we're gonna stir up the eggs on one side. There should be like a scramble. Now when I eat actual scrambled eggs, I like them soft and runny. Put the oyster sauce on this
Can't
side.
even open.
Ah, my little boo-boo. There you go.
Tell me when to stop.
That's good. That's good.
What the heck is this?
That's oyster sauce. That's the good stuff. I'm trying to show my kids some culture. This is how they do me, right?
Get that spot right there. You get that first. Yeah.
Because everything is cooked at this point. So I got the toughest critic in the world behind the camera. That's my wife. Say hi to the camera right there. There we go. Hey, perfect, mama. Take the shrimp. We're gonna add it in.
You know me. You know me as.
I made this. I don't know what third time I made this. This is the longest time it ever took me to make this. So this right here is exactly what it should look like. Like I said, I'm gonna give this to my wife. See how she likes it. And if we gotta make some changes, then we gotta make some changes. Babe, how is it? She's eating it right now. Like for real though. It's good? Perfect. The healthy alternative is actually very good. That's all we look for. Thank you for watching. Say bye-bye, boo-boos. Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Next week, we'll come back with something else. Maybe which one to make. This is gonna be a great answer. I just can't wait to hear it.
I don't know.
Top of your head.
Steak.
We're gonna make steaks next next week.